Namaskaram. Today we are going to speak about two topics. One is why the people get confused while taking decisions. Second topic is intraday tips. Okay, first we will see about the first topic. The Veda Shastra says that through 5 elements, the 9 planets through 5 elements in our body, 9 holes, it's inside, it is ruling the human being. Okay. Second thing, while we are taking a decision, it is only 1 second. That 1 second means, what's telling, the 1 second, first breath we are taking at the 1 second, and the last breath we are leaving the 1 second. These 2 seconds are, it is not in our hands. In between the seconds is in our hands. While taking the decision, it is only taking 1 second. Then 1 second it will change your whole life. Now, for traders, maybe common peoples, taking decisions, with the use of this Veda Shastra, how we can use this? Now, we basically in Shastra, that what they say about the nature of the 9 planets. In these 9 planets, we are going to divide 4 planets. 4 planets is malefic and 4 planets is benefic. 1 planet, Sun, that is already I am said that Sun is the head of the all planets. Sun is a cruel planet. 4 planets is a benefic planet and 4 planets is a malefic planet. The benefic planet, 4 planets are Jupiter, Moon, Venus, Mercury. Then the malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Mars. Okay. Now we are going to first, in 3 divisions, we are going to see the nature of the planets. First division, the malefic planets and benefic planets. The malefic planets always do, they will take decisions in the wrong mode. The benefic planets will not induce to take decisions in the wrong mode. Now, second, what is the character of the planet and what is the timing? The character and timing means at what time the planet will give the results. Now, the timing of which time it's going to give the results, since that Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, malefic planets, they will give, in Tamil, they will say Mudachaniyum Pambiradum Pitpalani, that they give the results in the second half. And the Mars, it will all round, it will give the results. And Jupiter, the benefic planet, it will give the result in the middle of the period. And Mercury, it will give around the period. In the Moon, it is also a benefic planet, but Moon is according to the which nakshatra it is moving, according to the Lord, it will make the movements. Okay. These nature of the planets, if you must understand the nature of the planet. Now, while in the trade or common man's, what will happen? Now that naturally, now for example, the trade is actually going upwards, trend is upwards. The malefic planet, what will it do? It will show the downtrend and it will tend to do the wrong move. It will shows the graph like that. You should take a lot, sell lot. It will make you induce. Like actually, the trend will be in the higher upper level. Then you will lose the money. I already said Sun is a cruel planet. The Sun also conjoining any aspects or any conjoining in the same sign. What happens? You will make a average. Oh, it will come up. You will make an average, and the actual trend is opposite. Then you will lose your whole money. This is the nature of the planet. First, you understand that. Now, if you understand, well, these things you understand means, then in telling about the Saturn, Saturn will give it is slow moving planet, and it will give the result only in the second half. Putting the lot in the morning, there is no movement, nothing. What happened? Evening, nothing happened. You think you will be depressed and fatigued. Actually, it will give the result only in the second half. Same thing in the common man's life. They will hard work, no returns. What happened? But actually, what happened means it will give in the result only in the second half. So if you understand this, you can take a right decision, and that second, if you take a right decision, victory is in your side. Okay. We will discuss about the last day. What happened? Last day, I said yesterday at Indian time, 15:30 Indian time, ISD. I said gold and silver will be in from that upward trend. Okay. What happens? Gold is getting up in upward trend. Okay. Actually, silver it not give that much, slight slip is there. Actually, what happened after that 3:30, 15:30 time, the two Venus and gold didn't break the day low. Actually, the truth is silver has actually break the high. But why? The followers are asking, people are asking, why silver didn't give that much movement? I said this is the meaning why silver is not given that much movement, because Venus is the ruling lord of silver. From Venus is in the star of Rahu. From Venus, Rahu is in the 8th place. So already I said it is going in the malefic planet. Malefic planet means it will tend to make you taking a lot in sell trend. It tends to make you lose. Actually, the trend is rise. Today, both silver and what I said, gold are rising. That is the truth. Okay, at last, for intraday, I said in the world first time using Vedic astrology. It is very tough, already said, to predict predictions. Though I am teaching you how to intraday predictions. In prediction, I am giving you first time in the world that I am giving based on the Vedic astrology. At Thursday, 23/9/2021. I am telling only for intraday. This is not for the total trend. 23/9/2021, 1949 ISD, evening 7:49 local time, 1949 ISD, Thursday. Both silver and gold will be going down, downward trends. Market will fall. This is the intraday tip I am giving. First of all, one thing I am telling, you should not expect that while fishing, the fish will come out of the water. We can catch the fish. What I am teaching you, even in fishes in the deep water, you should catch the fish. So that if you want to catch the fish, you should first understand nature of the planets, how is the movements, and this is the basic things you should get inside and understand. Okay. If you understand, you can take the decision, right decision, at that second you get the victory. Okay. So I am expecting you, you will learn quickly, and please subscribe for me. Not only subscribe, you please understand and listen and follow what I am telling, and you, my best wishes, you should learn and come upwards. Vedasastra is not given for one man, it is given for this earth, total human being. So you should understand, you should also learn, you yourself, you should